In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Outlook, perfect for beginners navigating Office 365. Outlook is a robust email and personal information management tool that helps you stay organized and productive. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to help you make the most of it. First, you'll need to open Outlook. You can do this by launching the desktop app if you have it installed on your computer, or you can visit outlook.office.com using your preferred web browser. Once opened, the next step is to sign in using your Microsoft 365 account. This account connects you to your Outlook emails, calendar, and contacts, so be sure to have your login credentials ready. Now that you're in, let's try sending an email. Look for the New Message button, which is your starting point for composing an email. Click it, and you'll be ready to write your message. In the new email window, enter the recipient's email address in the To field, add a relevant subject in the Subject field, and then type your message in the large text area below. Once you're satisfied with your email, click the Send button to deliver it to the recipient. As emails arrive in your inbox, you'll want to know how to navigate them. Click on any email to read its contents. You'll find options to reply to quickly respond, forward to share it with someone else, or simply delete if you no longer need it. These options make managing your email correspondence straightforward and efficient. To keep your inbox tidy, consider using folders. Folders help you organize your emails by topic, project, or priority. Right-click in the folder pane to create new folders and arrange them as needed. This can be a tremendous time saver and helps maintain a clutter-free inbox, enabling you to find important emails more easily. Beyond handling emails, Outlook also offers powerful tools like the calendar. Click on it to add events or schedule meetings. Input the details such as date, time, and attendees. Outlook will even send reminders so you don't miss crucial appointments. Next, navigate to People to manage your contacts. Here, you can add new contacts by entering their names, email addresses, and phone numbers, ensuring that all your important connections are just a click away whenever you're drafting an email or organizing a meeting. Lastly, make good use of the search bar, an essential tool for finding specific emails quickly. Located at the top of your Outlook page, the search bar helps you filter through your emails by sender, subject, or keywords, making it simpler to track down past conversations or critical information. Thanks for joining this tutorial. Now you're ready to tackle emails, organize your digital day-to-day, and keep communication flowing smoothly with Outlook. Happy emailing!